Yo, what's up, guys? It's Bennett. Today we're going to be back testing. Now I started recording right here. I'm half into this day because I'm about to take this. I like this setup. Um, because the setup is really looks really good because we have these equal highs, and then we also have this high as well as this high. Nice liquidity pool here, right? And I like this V shape, and also want to take note of this. We're delivering out of this hourly right here. And now you might be asking, um, we were already delivering out of here, out of this gap before. Why didn't you take it? Why didn't you take this or like delivering out of here? Because with this one we are a lot more in discount. So if we draw the fib from the of the high to this range, we are not only past, we have hit the 0.551, but we are past it. Damn, look at that. Look at that to the tick on the 0.78. Shout out all my order flow traders out there. I bet VWAP's on here too, chat. All right, so let's take this, see what happens. Oh my, very choppy. All right, so I'd be asking, oh, why didn't you go break even here? I honestly don't know, but I want to note that because this internal high was put in and now it is taken, I'm going to go break even here. Bang. Nice trade. Very nice trade. I'm gonna take a photo. It's pretty fire. And the reason I really like this setup is because of this down here. We're delivering out of here. It's hourly down here. And we've also taken this, I guess you could call this external sell side. But yeah, nice trade there. We're only gonna be backtesting New York session, by the way. So I'll probably do like three New York sessions and then make an attempt to go to sleep, but I'll probably be back on here. Probably make another video. All right. Oops. Ooh. With this, what is this? This is a new day opening gap. I'm mark that out. It's a really good night. It's a really good draw. Price may want to come down here. Already from what I'm noticing, there's not a lot of like, we kind of dumped aggressively during pre-market. And when that does happen, I don't expect much to happen. Oh, oh my. I mean, I have to take this, bro. I have to take this. That is as V-shaped as you can get, bro. I have to take this. Also, it's kind of like it's I also like this because it's kind of like the manipulation off open, coming down here, taking this low. Um, Also, there's an SMT. So this setup's nice. It's just that there's not much to target. Now, if these high, maybe there's like a high here, it'd be better, but there's not really much to target besides, I guess, these. So, maybe we'll see what happens. Well, maybe I'll take off some there. That RR is pretty nice if we do get it. But I'm 100% going break even at this high because it's like the only liquidity there. All right, so there's break even. Do we take some off here? That is the question. I'm gonna let it go. May regret it. Oh. All right, so this I'm still in the trade. It didn't take me out of break even. Should have took off some there. But this is a setup in itself. Nah, I mean not really. Delivering out of this tiny 2 minute. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna take off some here. I'm gonna take off 75% because I really should have taken off some here. And if price does this right, comes down to my break even there, and I haven't taken any out yet, bro, I'm definitely stressing. So if it manages to show some mercy to me and come back up here, I'm definitely gonna take off. But we'll hold the rest. All right, so break even on the rest. So yeah, pretty nice. Nice trade. Now, because I felt I was, thinking of taking off here is because we're in this 15-minute gap. And if this is truly a continuation model just to come up here and fill there and fill this and then come down to the new week opening gap, I wouldn't be surprised. Mm, I kind of like this long too, but if we took this low, it'd be a lot better. But the reason that catches my eyes because all this is trendline liquidity, and if you're gonna take a, it's you want to take a trade going into there, right? Because it's low resistance, it's all gonna get taken at once type shit. So I'm not gonna take it, but we'll just put a P&L thingy here. Yeah, see, it's not good. I'm looking at this new week opening gap as the next draw. Ooh, okay. Ooh. I'm feeling greedy. I'm feeling greedy. I'm gonna take this and just go hella break e I'm gonna go break even like hella early. Yeah, okay. I'm actually feeling a lot better about this now that I see that low has been taken. Yo, my dog tripping in the back. Yo, you good, bro? You guys see him, bro? Yo, you tripping back there. All right. go. Good luck. Good luck to myself. I'm gonna go break even at this high, which is like hella stingy. All right. Well, it took in a lifetime I would have gone break even there, but since the it took it and then came down, um we're just gonna have to hold it. So I guess let's go. All right. So I like this short going into the new week opening gap, right? It would be like it would look like this. But since we've already taken these lows, I don't know. So we'll just see. All right, we're taking it down there, taking out. Oh, should we retry? You know what? I'm gonna take it on ES. I'm gonna take it on ES. Mm-mm. Damn, it's just not moving anywhere. All right, stopped out there. Possible long setup there, but I'm just gonna call it a day. We're already up on the day, so we're taking a win. Or I guess technically we're not. Technically, according to FX Replay, we've taken two losses and a win. So we're still up. We're still up indefinitely. But let's do one more day. These equal lows immediately catch my eye. That's a really good draw, but I'm thinking we'll just take them at open. Taking them at open. All this is really nice liquidity to target. Ooh. All right, so this long looks pretty good. This long looks pretty good right here, but since there's no inverse gap, I can't take it. It's not doesn't align with my entry model, but these three triple stack equal highs look nice, so I can't take it, but we'll see what happens. Maybe we get another better entry. Mm-mm. Yeah, not much going on here. All right, so if we were to take that, would have bangs, but I don't really, I don't, I like, I don't want price to engineer a low, put in a low, and then inside my trade come down and take it, right? I'm either going to, like, that just doesn't make sense. Then we rally the rest of the time. Should we take this? I don't really like this short. I want this to be the draw, right? I don't really like that short. Mm. All right, I'm just fiending to take something, so we're gonna try this 1 minute long. Huge liquidity pool right here. We have this side, this side, this side, and that high. The external. All right, since price put in this high, and then I'm gonna go break even here. Mm, mm. Let's do a little bit of trail. Just throw our trail right here to make 143 bucks. So like, let's say I'm trading a prop firm, right? Um, say I'm trading a prop firm, and I take this, and let's say I need a winning day. I'm on my XFA or whatever, and I need a winning day, and that's like 150 bucks. So I'm gonna try right there. That's my what I'm thinking. So even if it comes back down, we still take our winning day. But I mean, I like this setup either way. Oh, oh, wait. Actually, because we built up all these low resistance lows, man, I don't know. This is interesting. That's interesting though. That's interesting. Should I get out and then take this short? All right, well, let's get out. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take out 649 bucks. Say we got out there and then try this short. And then that'll be the last. I don't really, I mean, I'm trying to find like reasons to, I'm trying to find reasons to validate that this is a good setup, but I mean, the only like things I'm seeing here honestly are just like the low resistance lows. Not only that, but we have a clean, we have a clean recovery, nice V shape. I'm gonna go break even here. All right, let's try it, and then I'll probably just get out. Let's try it. We could get immediately wrecked. Okay, there's the big death candle. That's the Drake dick pic candle. So we're going break even there. Really, I should be out here. I'm not really interested in this low. So, uh, let's keep it going. Holy shit, that's a crazy RR. Oh my. And I just want to put this as a note to self. The reason why I kind of like this setup is not only because we're delivering from this 5 minute. We've taken this high right here. We've taken this high. Taken this high. That's pretty nice. We've taken this high. Delivering out of this. I guess if you wanted to say in the 1 minute, we are taking delivering out of this 1 minute. But I want to get in trades where I know price is gonna move, right? And like whenever lows are stacked up like this and it's so low resistance. Oh my God, I can't even talk, bro. What are you doing, Marty? I was gonna see my dog. Dog. Yeah, good boy. Yeah, that's what are you doing, kid? I want to, yeah, like I was saying, I want to get in trades where I know price is gonna move quickly, right? Because I don't want to be in a trade where price is gonna chop, like kind of like this. Like it's sketch to be in. What are you doing? Um, but because we're so high in premium, I kind of like this trade. That's a crazy RR, bruh. All right, well, yeah. You know what? You know what? Because the setup's so interesting, well, let's run our checklist. Run our checklist for this. So number one, is there good? Chill, bruh, chill. Is there good targets? Are there good targets? Well, I'll just say good targets. We have low resistance lows. Are we delivering out of a higher time frame for value gap? Yes, we are delivering from the 5 minute. Are we in premium or discount? We are in premium. Let's see what's on the checklist. There is no SMT. Is this a macro time? Technically, it is a macro time. It is the 10:50 macro. So yeah, we'll just say macro. Um, what else? Mm. Let me just check. Let me just check. Let me just look at my checklist right quick. Yeah, it's about all we have for in terms of checklist. This is what I like that makes this setup good. Make sure you guys follow the Instagram. I post setups all the time. If you guys are interested in that. But yeah, that was a pretty fire backtesting session. I'm gonna try to go to sleep now. If I can't go to sleep, I'll make another video. So I'll see everyone later. Peace.